What is the playground? The playground is staying connected together through the hub, which is the sewing basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. The playground is community, a community of quilters and machine embroiderers sharing what they love. Playground membership means everyone is a member of the playground. The playground is the heart of the community. It means full member interaction and access to other areas. The playground is also called the network. It remains the heart of the community and it is open and free for all members that join. Everyone plays here and it's a free membership. Then there are playgroups. Playgroups are small group connections. You get to your playgroup through the playground. Some members may be in a playgroup. They can still go out into the playground and play with anyone and everyone. But the playgroup is for different interest areas that others may or may not really want to pay attention to or participate in at a given place and time. You can kind of think of this as the cafeteria. There's some structure, but it's casual time with others at a table, and not everyone has the same lunch period. There are free and value-add playgroups. Workshops. Workshops are like classrooms for learning with content resources and the learning community that goes along with it. Workshops range from free to value-add purchase. Everyone is not in the same class or has the same schedule when you join a workshop. When you are in the workshop, you are only connecting with those who choose to be learning along with you on that topic. You can always go back out to the playground and share what you are doing with everyone. Sharing usually occurs with the smaller group as a common interest, but it can also spill out into the playground. Some members may be coming to the playground for the workshops and never venture out into the open playground, but they always have that option. So how do you tell what is free and what is a value-add purchase? If you go to your workshops and videos menu and click, you will bring up the list of workshops. If there's a big free up in the corner, you can be assured that that is a free workshop. You just need to hit the button that says Access. That will automatically add you to that workshop. Once you have clicked on Access, it will then indicate Purchased. You haven't really purchased anything. It was free, but that's just the way the system keeps track of you being a member of that workshop or classroom. If it says Request Access, this is a value-add purchase. The price will be listed within the description. You must go to the web store and purchase access prior to being let into the workshop. At this time, we streamline our payment process so that you only have to go through one payment cycle, and that's through our web store. Once your web store order has been placed, we will do the processing. You will then receive an email or an invite directly from the Playground Network telling you you have access to your paid workshop. At any time, if you have questions, please be sure to call the shop or stop in person, or use the chat feature on the playground and connect with one of the hosts. Looking forward to seeing you on the playground. Thanks for all your interest.